In previous video, we saw how to create structured responsive page. The next step is to create the rest of the pages. What we want to achieve is that all of the pages have some of the content common, like this slider gallery and navigation bar. We can create those elements for all of the pages, but instead of doing that, it would be easier if we can manage these portlets only in one place. So what are we going to create now is a template for a structured page. Let's go to the part where we can create our new template. We are going to templates. Currently we have only the one that we created for FreePositioning page. We are adding a new one, and now we are doing everything as we did when we created our page. Setting the title for the template, setting max and min width, and choosing a background picture which will repeat vertically. We're going to save it, and now let's add the element that we are going to reuse on every page. After we added all the elements that we want to reuse on all the pages, now it's time to add the final part of our template, a place where we are going to add elements for the pages. We are adding a new wrapper that will stay empty, and we are going to put it only as a one column, for example, and we are going to save the template. Now let's go and create page with our new template. We are going to the pages part, adding new page, structured, responsive with a template. As you can see here, in the list are only templates that are responsive. As you can see here, there is no header bar of these elements from the template, and that means that we cannot edit their settings. So what we're going to do now is first to save page, and we can add a new wrapper in our container for the elements. We can leave it with 2 columns, but let's say in a bit different rate. And we are adding our portlets to the columns. First one can be a simple text, let's say a contact page. Let's add also margins, and the other portlet from the right side can be a simple fancy gallery, also with the margins. Adding photos. First one can be the cover photo, and we are saving the page. As you can see here, there are no headers on the elements from the template, and we cannot reorder other wrappers or portlets with them. The only part what we can edit is the part that will left empty in our template. Another thing that is important for templates is that whatever change we do in the template, it will be visible in all the pages that use that template. Let's see it in live. If you go to template and we want, for example, to reorder these 2 portlets, so the contact can be from the left side and our family from the right, and if we save the portlet and go back to the page, we can see that contact is from the left side. If we preview the page, you can see it is as we wanted, And if we try responsive, we can see it's also working fine. Thank you for watching.